Boys and girls, welcome to our phonics time. And in our phonics lesson, we're going to learn some special sounds. Do you remember it? Now today, we're going to learn a new special sound. Do you know it? When we have a fire on a fireplace, and the smoke will go through the fire. So, what is a special sound? Yes, is smoke. And this is a special sound, is smoke. Is smoke. S-M, Can you see the smoke? Yes, when we have a fireplace, when it's very cold, and you pick a fire, but you have a chimney, and the smoke, it will go through the chimney, and the smoke will go through the chimney, and also in the sky, right? Yes, the smoke is in the sky. So let's read this word. Smile. I have a smile on my face. Smoke. I like smoke. Smash. And smell, sniff, and smack. Now, what do we learn today? Yes, we learn is smoke. S and together is smoke. S and So that is our in smoke special sound. We have more special sounds. Wait me a minute. We have special sounds this way. Oh no. Wait me a little.